Meet Danny and Amos. Danny was an outstanding student in high school. Amos was also an outstanding student in high school. Danny finished his military service and traveled for 6 months around South America. So did Amos. Danny completed his BSc degree with honors, specializing in infrastructure and cybersecurity. So did Amos. Danny is the CTO of a big and well-known high-tech company. So is Amos. Danny will leave the office today at 4:30, and in the evening, will have a date with his wife at the new Japanese restaurant in the marina. Amos also likes Japanese food, but he will eat it tonight in the office. Why? Because Amos is responsible for the cloud migration project. Amos discovered that in order to implement this project, he needs to understand the topology and architecture of all relevant applications, and that adjustments are needed in order to migrate them. And it takes time, a lot of time. And Danny implemented the VMware Cloud on AWS solution and saved himself all of the headache and problems. VMware Cloud on AWS is an ideal hybrid cloud solution that runs on AWS infrastructure. VMware Cloud on AWS solves the migration challenges by delivering a hybrid cloud service that integrates familiar VMware flagship software-defined data center technologies, along with VMware vCenter management optimized to run on AWS infrastructure. By maintaining the same user experience in the cloud, VMware Cloud on AWS reduced the learning curve of administrators managing resources in the public cloud. With VMware Cloud on AWS, the CTO can manage the IT environments with a service-oriented IT model that scales to meet any business demands while reducing time spent on infrastructure and freeing the company to concentrate on what is really important: innovation. And Amos, one day he'll understand this. Or not.